Hi guys, welcome to Brains on the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So, before I get any further, I want to say I'm very sorry to my audience because I've been very inconsistent the past 2-3 weeks, and that's just because I felt like a lot of stuff was happening behind the scenes as far as YouTube is concerned, which we weren't made aware of, but now we know exactly what was happening, and it was affecting my channel, and I didn't feel motivated. And also, there's a lot of other stuff too, which I won't disclose, but if you guys pay attention, you'll figure it out in a few weeks. But neither here nor there. In today's video, we're going to be talking about whole theft of millions of dollars from Bashco in Jamaica. And we've seen these thefts recently this year. These criminals are making away with more and more money every single time they steal in Jamaica. First, it was the Western Union, now Bashco. Criminals reportedly stole a large sum of money from a Bashco store in downtown Kingston late Tuesday. Police report that robbers broke into the popular dry goods retail store along Orange Street and escaped with millions of dollars. When contacted by the news team, a Bashco representative confirmed the robbery but offered no more details into the incident. The store remained closed up to midday Wednesday. The robbery comes just days after the police high command announced that members of the security forces have increased their presence in a number of public spaces, including in downtown Kingston with the approach of the Christmas season. The security apparatus of the government warned that security measures will be intensified for the next 8 weeks leading up to and during the Christmas season. Speaking at a press conference at the office of Prime Minister in Kingston last Thursday, Security Minister Horace Chan said the government took the safety and security of law-abiding citizens seriously. Given the increased commercial activities in anticipation of the end-of-year festivities in particular, this is a matter that the government takes very seriously, and we are taking steps to effectively address it, Chang said. Police Commissioner Major Attorney General Anderson said police presence would be increased in and around the commercial areas and that the uniformed plainclothes officer would be everywhere, including on public transportation. Criminals use this time as an opportunity to enrich themselves at the expense of law-abiding citizens, Anderson said. Anderson said the current mandate of gang over guns and gangs and dons would be intensified, that he gave those instructions to his divisional commanders during the high-level meeting. So, I think they did this before the police were actually put in downtown Kingston. So they did it right before all the increased police presence. So very sorry for Bashko, but I feel like a lot of these stores need to have better security. Western Union, Bashko, TSTs, especially, they need to stop doing things routinely, because that's how your business is targeted. If you do stuff routinely or take the same routes every day or drop the same amount of money every day, you are going to be a target for criminals, and big establishments need to figure that out. Anyways, very sorry for Bashko and how them lose millions of dollars, but these goes to show that businesses need to be very, very careful. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.